Hey people of YouTube, today we're covering the complete installation of the Hampton Bay Universal Ceiling Fan Light Kit. This is a super easy project and a great way to add functionality to your ceiling fan. We're going to cover the complete installation, we've already unpacked it, to installing it, to turning it on, and everything in between. So stick with us and we'll walk you through step by step. If you like the video at the end, please click like and subscribe, and that'll help other people find it as well. So just a couple of notes before we get started. You want to make sure that the electricity is turned off at the breaker box and at the wall switch. If you don't feel comfortable working around electricity, please consult with a licensed electrician. And another important note is this light kit requires your fan to have a blank switch cap. If your fan doesn't have a blank switch cap, the light kit's not going to be able to attach to the fan. So as you can see here, we've already unpacked the light kit, and we've opened up the manual to the parts page. We're just going to make sure that we have all the parts before beginning, and that way we don't get stuck along the way. So first up, you'll have the light kit. You'll have the included LED bulb and a pull chain extension. So some tools you might need for this project. It's a Phillips head screwdriver. We like to have a long one and a short one on hand. You may need a flathead screwdriver. You'll need a wrench or a pair of pliers. You might need some wire cutters and strippers and some electrical tape. Of course, a ladder and a ceiling fan. So we have everything here. We're ready to begin. Let's do this. Begin by using a screwdriver to remove and save the screws holding the switch cap on the fan. If your fan has a light kit, you'll need to remove the light kit and then remove the switch cap from the existing light kit. Once the switch cap is removed, locate the two wires inside the fan's switch cup. They should be labeled with stickers that say forward light kit connection or equivalent statement. There will typically be a blue and a white wire, or a black and a white wire. If the switch cap has a plastic plug in the center, you'll need to remove that before attaching it to the light kit. It's easily removed by pressing from the inside of the switch cap. Next, remove the hex nut and washer from the threaded post of the light kit. Feed the light kit wires through the center hole of the switch cap. Feed the wires through one by one and then gently pull them through until the switch cap meets the threaded post of the light kit. Thread the switch cap onto the threaded post until it is tight. Just hand tighten this piece. There's no need for tools at this point. Once the switch cap is tight, feed the light kit wires through the washer and place the washer over the threaded post of the light kit. Next, feed the wires through the hex nut and place the hex nut on the threaded post of the light kit. Thread the hex nut onto the threaded post and completely tighten using a wrench or a set of pliers. Once the hex nut is completely tightened, flip the light kit over and remove the protective plastic strip from around the cage of the light kit. You can discard this piece once it's removed. Now the light kit is ready to be connected to the fan. Connect the light kit wires to the fan by connecting the black wire from the light kit to the black or blue wire from the fan and the white light kit wire to the white wire from the fan. Once the wire connections have been made, gently tuck the wires into the switch cap and switch cup of the fan. Align the switch cap with the switch cup of the fan and reattach the switch cap using the screws that were removed and saved at the beginning of the installation. Make sure all screws are completely tightened before proceeding. Attach the pull chain extension to the end of the light kit pull chain by snapping the pieces together. Then install the included LED bulb by screwing it into the light socket. Turn the light on by pulling the pull chain. Turn it off by pulling the chain again. If the light is installed on a ceiling fan with a remote control, the pull chain must be pulled once to set it in the on position, and then the remote control will take over control of the light. Congratulations, the installation is now complete. Time to sit back with a nice tall beverage and enjoy your new light kit. As always, thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please click like and subscribe down below, and that'll help other people find it as well. And as we always say around here, keep it breezy.